Welcome, it's day 23, we're almost there. Today we have been to Mr. Croquewich. Just been there now. Let's see what I got. Ooh! So I've ordered it, it was about, I'll show you what I've ordered, but it cost me, oh that doesn't say, I think it was £18. I'll find my phone and I'll put it somewhere down here how much it cost me, but it was about £18. They give you a knife and fork. How good's that? We have got, so I've gone for pineapple and mango hot sauce combination. Now this, because it does say it on the receipt, was £1.50, which is ridiculous. I don't care how good this is, that's extortionate. £1.50 for that is extortionate. But let's see how it tastes. We've got some serviettes. This hat might have to come out because it's boiling. Right, our first one. What have we gone for? Let's have a look. Ooh, some Parmesan fries. They're crinkle cut with Parmesan on them. Now I thought, so when I ordered it, you had, when you ordered the chips, you had an option to choose a sauce, and there was about 6 or 7 different ones. So I went for the pineapple one. I thought it was going to come on it, but that's fine. We can have them separately. That's not a problem, we'll put them there. And then we've gone for a burger. So this is a chicken burger. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Now that looks saucy, doesn't it? I'm glad they give me napkins. Okay, so the buffalo shoulder chicken burger is a Parmesan fried chicken burger, hot buffalo ketchup, house pickles, blue cheese ranch. So that's this one. Let's get that open. So the total cost of this was $18.37 with, they have like a service charge on the site that they use. So we'll put that just there. Where to begin? Where to begin? Right, let's show you, let's get you a close-up of all this food. Look at that. This is going to be a messy burger. I can see it now. Hopefully you can see that okay. Let's try one of these chips. So they're crinkle cut. They've got a good, very seasoned. I don't know if you can see that. They got like a rosemary salt, I think it is, on it with a slight bit of Parmesan. Really crisp outside, really fluffy inside. Let's dip it in the sauce. Let's see how hot this is. So the sauce clings to the chip, lovely. Nice thick sauce. Ooh. Okay, first issue, the sauce is cold. It's been stored in the fridge, which is fine, but it contrasts with the hot chip. But that burst of pineapple, the sweetness straight away, and then you get the hot sauce coming through at the end. That's, wow, that has got a good little kick. That is lovely. £1.50 though is still expensive, I think, but that is lovely. They could bottle that up and it'd be, I'd buy it. I definitely would. See if you can see that. How thick that sauce is. It's lovely. Right. Let's tackle this burger. I think I'm going to have to roll up the sleeves for this. Because this, look at that. I'm going to get this everywhere now. Look at that. Hopefully you can hear, because that looks crispy as hell. Hopefully you can hear this. That is real crispy, really crispy. Let's just get stuck in, shall we? We're going to go for this side. So as suggested, that is so saucy, that's gone everywhere. But that is really nice. Let's have another bite. That is absolutely delicious. I know I've got it over my mouth, I apologise. So these are chicken thighs in this burger. It's really hot, it's really crispy. You get the sweetness from the ketchup, the crunchiness from the burger, the pickles, the slaw inside. But you get a hotness coming through as well. So as hot as that is, you do get that burst of heat coming through. It's really fresh from the pickled slaw. It's really fresh inside. The ranch has that sort of cooling effect at the bottom. Well, once you've finished. That is fantastic. And you get, in the bottom, you get all the sauce that's stripped out. You get to dip your lovely little chips in it. This is fantastic. Absolutely lovely. Let's give it a dip in the sauce. Wow. So in the app, you do get a chance, excuse me, to double up on the burgers for an extra, I think it was £3. Yeah, £3 it was, to double up, which is really good value, I think. However, I don't know how you'd eat it with a double burger in there. It'd be fantastic, I think. But it's messy as it is, and it's juicy. Would it be too much? Flavour wise and just for pure greed, I think it'd be fantastic, but I do think it would be too much. These chips are good as well. Really good, really crunchy, really fluffy. I personally think crinkle chips are the best chips. I do like a waffle one, mind. But I think crinkle ones are the best ones. Let me know in the comments what you think. So my burger has just fallen apart, which will make this a bit more challenging. Oh, geez. And as you can see, my hand is covered in sauce. So if you're on a first date, you won't want to eat this burger. But it is, I'd highly recommend it. It's absolutely fantastic. That heat at the back of my throat, it's just got that warming sensation, that warming feeling. Right. I'm going to clean up, enjoy the rest of this, and I'll come back to you at the end. See you in a sec. That has absolutely defeated me. That was so good. I think that's one of the best chicken burgers I've had in such a long time. It was absolutely fantastic. I'm glad I cut the video where I did because the burger just started falling apart. Now the brioche bun was absolutely delicious. It was quite a thick brioche bun, but it was really light and aerated. So it was nice, but it did fall apart. And I think part of that is because of the sauce. So if you look at the bit that I still got, you can see how saturated that is. But it was absolutely delicious. These chips, even now they're still crispy, but I'm just so full, absolutely so full. What I would say, it is one of the best burgers I've had in a long time. Well, best chicken burgers I've had in a long time. And I don't think the price is too bad really for, well, is it? I didn't think it was too bad. It is on the pricier side, but it's worth every penny because the taste and the amount of food that you get in it is absolutely fantastic. You can see that there's pure sort of love gone into these burgers. They're absolutely fantastic. They also do grilled cheese sandwiches, different varieties with different fillings and things like that. So I was tempted by that, which I might try next time. But they also do, it's like a loaded fry. So it's fries with like a tomato jam on top and camembert. So I think it looks like you get a whole camembert on top. So it's like a version of cheesy chips really. But that was £11 as well. But that looked absolutely fantastic. So yeah, would I go back? 100% I would. It was really good. The quality's there. The taste is there. The price isn't too bad either. So 100%, apart from the sauce, even though that was absolutely delicious. And you can see I've smashed through that. Absolutely delicious. One of the best sauces I've had in a long time. That I thought was a bit pricey. Really, but other than that, absolutely fantastic. If you're in Barry, I'd highly recommend Mr. Croquewich and give it a go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of when I'm posting next. Share the video with your friends. Let them see what food we're eating down here in South Wales, or if you are in South Wales, let me know if you've been here before, and I'll catch you on the next one.